The rear impact bumper with the static brackets from Luvurne is a great option for fleet vans that are in need of a safe and sturdy step both in and out of the van. The 9.5-inch step provides a wide and sturdy platform for an easy entry and exit from your van. So no more reaching out and feeling around to find the step when you can just step out with confidence. And with the impact bumper, you also don't have to worry about snow or rain because it has fleet-approved expanded steel treads for increased traction and safety. You also don't have to be concerned with weather. The bumper has a dual A-coat with a gloss black powder coat finish to protect against rust. The rear impact bumper is ideal for delivery and cargo vans that are frequently backing in and out of loading areas and into tight spaces. Luvurne has also designed the rear impact bumper step to accept OEM parking sensors. A relocation kit will be required to use this feature. This impact bumper has been installed with the static brackets rather than the shock absorbing brackets, because not all fleets or vans need the shock absorbing feature. The bracket is a vehicle-specific design for secure and easy installation. The static brackets are made strong from a high-strength steel for a long-lasting usage. Just like the rear impact bumper, the static brackets are protected against the rust by a durable black powder coat finish. Installation is straightforward. For the brackets, you remove the factory bumper and OEM bumper brackets. Attach the Luvurne static brackets, then secure the rear impact bumper step to the Luvurne brackets. A key note: make sure to tighten all of the fasteners to the recommended torque specifications in the instructions. Both the rear impact bumper step and the static brackets come with a limited lifetime warranty. If you'd like to purchase the Luvurne rear impact bumper with the static brackets or find someone else to install it, check out our dealer locator below. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.